Hey guys, welcome back to Stop Bowling Club. I hope you guys are believing in yourself, being strong, being confident, and not letting nobody get your way because you guys are awesome. Today I'm playing some bowling on Animal Jam. And yeah, so let's just see who wins this game. I'm really good at bowling, but my computer is a little bit laggy, so we'll see how this goes. And I got a strike, and I got a strike, and I got a strike. Yes, I got a strike. I'm just really cold right now, you guys, and yeah. Swift. Kick. I hope I win bowling because I love bowling personally. It's kind of fun. On this game, it's fun. I'm just bored. Okay, anyways, this is my turn again. It's raining tacos out of the sky, tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your eyes and close your mouth. It's raining tacos. What? What? Are you kidding me? I got 25. 18. 18? 23. Yes, I think I won. I swear she gets another turn, because I didn't. So here 20 gems, but I'm so bored. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this short little video that I just made because I'm bored, and I'll make another video later. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for being a supinator, loving yourself, and being awesome, because you guys are awesome. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a good day, and bye!